How to grow Delphinium from seed. If you want to buy seeds at a very cheap price, in this video description, you will get a link. Click this link and buy your favorite seeds at a very cheap price. Grown for their tall bloom spikes and profoundly lobed foliage, plants of the class Delphinium add tallness and shading to cultivate fringes and beds. Most rights can't tolerate warm, despite the fact that species, for example, ravine delphinium and red larkspur, D. Cardinale, will flourish in the U.S. Division of Agriculture plant toughness zone 7 to 10 if grown in incomplete shade. All non-mixture assortments of Delph, which are sown in summer for late summer transplanting. The seeds sprout quickly if kept warm. Despite the fact that they should be completely secured in light of the fact that light introduction represses germination. 1. Fill a seed plate to inside ½ inch of the top with sterile seed-beginning manure. Fill the fertilizer with water until the point that the top 1 inch feels wet and let it absorb for 5 minutes, previously sowing the delphinium seeds. 2. Place the delphinium seeds on the surface of the manure, dispersing them 1 inch separated. Cover them with a 1/4 inch thick layer of seed-beginning manure. Fog it with water and tenderly firm the surface. 3. Place the seed plate outside in a shielded, daintily shaded garden region where temperatures remain in the vicinity of 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit amid the day. Furnish warmth with an engendering mat if the climate is curiously cool. 4. Keep up a light level of steady dampness in the top 1 inch of manure while the delphinium seeds sprout. Let the surface dry somewhat between waterings to shield the seeds from decaying. 5. Look for germination in 10 to 20 days. Water precisely after germination to avoid parasitic diseases. Shower the water specifically onto the fertilizer as opposed to watering from above. 6. Grow the delphinium seedlings in their nursery plate until the point when they reach no less than 1 inch tall and have 2 sets of genuine takes off. Scoop out the seedlings and transplant them into singular 3-inch pots loaded with gardening soil. 7. Keep the delphinium seedlings very much watered for whatever remains of the late spring. Feed them with the 12th of December 2012 manure weakened to 1/4 quality a month and a half before transplanting them. 8. Place the pots at the proposed planting site each day. Broaden the time by 1 hour consistently for multi-week. This adapts the delphiniums to ordinary open-air conditions before you transplant them. 9. Plant the delphiniums in a somewhat shady bed with profound, sudden and quick depleting soil. Space the plants roughly 1 foot separated. Mulch intensely and water consistently amid dry climate. Subscribe Gardening Story channel, click bell icon to see new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.